Hello, my name is Ikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on this lace tint spray by Stokes Styling. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the lace tint spray that I will be reviewing today. It comes from Stokes Styling. Now, if you're not familiar with Stokes is a fellow YouTuber. She also has her own business selling custom wigs that she creates, as well as she is a licensed cosmetologist. B recently added lace tint spray as well as other wig accessories to their website. So B sent me the product. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So the sprays come in 4 shades: light warm brown, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown, and they're 3.38 ounces. Now I have the light warm brown, and the product is very simple to use. I decided to go with Sensational's Vice Unit 2 to review the product because the hair is supposed to be pre-plucked and a nice hairline. So I figured to do lace tint spray, we want to go with a wig that has a pretty decent hairline and a wig that has the lace already pre-plucked so that we can really get in and look at that parting and look at the lace and be able to see the difference that the tint sprays make. So when I opened up the packaging came in the mail. It was very nice. I opened it up and I got this beautiful gold bag that says thank you. And then inside, of course, I got the lace tint spray. I got a wig band that has that silicone, which is really nice because those grips really help keep your wig in place if you don't want to melt your wig down. Then I also had a edge brush and a cute little thank you card. So the packaging was beautiful, very nice, and I also liked how the spray was packaged up. It was nicely sealed. You guys want to order something and know that your package is going to make it to you safely. So I really was impressed with how nice the packaging was and the sealing was on the spray. So I have to admit, this is my first time using this type of spray. I usually use an aerosol spray. This lace tint spray is a more of a liquid form. So when you spray it, the first time I sprayed it onto the wig, I had it a little far out. I needed to get a little closer to the wig, and I always take my time and only do 1 layer at a time because you don't want to make your lace too dark. You can always add more, but if you add too much, you can't take it away. So when I'm tinting my lace on my wigs, I like to just take my time and do 1 layer, let it dry, another layer, let it dry. I did the first layer, and like I said, because I was holding it kind of far away, it was just like simply getting on the wig. It wasn't really making a huge difference. I mean, I could see some of the tint, but not enough to really match my skin yet. So I went in with another round, and then the final round was the 3rd round. So just if you use the lace, just go a little bit closer into the wig, take your time, and it didn't take a lot of spray. It did not take a lot of spray in order to get the lace tinted. So here is a before and after picture. You can see how nicely the lace already looked before I even cut the lace off or melted the wig down. Look at the difference between the wig when I initially got it and the lace wig after the sprays. Right? Impressed already. So I went ahead, cut the lace off, put the wig on, you guys, and I didn't melt it down. I just put the wig on. And you don't have to melt this unit down, but because we're doing a review on lace tint spray, I did want to go ahead and melt the wig down just to see how well it would melt. But I was really impressed with it already. So if you are a wig wearer who just wants to tint it and not melt your wig down, you technically did not have to, because I didn't feel like I had to melt it down, but I wanted to melt it down to see how well the tint spray stood up with the glue and the heat and all the process you do to melt your wig down. So I went ahead and melted the wig down. I used my Even wig spray, and then I went in with my melt band, put it on, put some heat to it. I probably let it stay on for about 10 minutes, And then after that, I went ahead and took it off. You guys, the lace melted down into my hairline beautifully. No issues with that. And then I went ahead and just finished styling the wig. Now I do have a little bit of baby hair coming out on this side, which has nothing to do with the lace, but I went ahead and used some edge control to just go ahead and lay the baby hairs down on this side since I was coming out on this side. And that is it, you guys. Look at how beautiful this lace tinted and melted down, right? I was super duper impressed. So if you are someone who is looking for a new lace tint spray, you definitely want to check this product out. I was very impressed, and I definitely will be using this some more because it really did. Okay, we have come to serve. So pretty much that was it. This stuff is amazing, right? Here is another before and after picture to send you off with because this product really does rock. The link to the product, of course, is going to be down in the description box with B's website and all of her social media platforms. If you'd like to go visit her and follow her, please support B Stokes Styling. She's a black-owned business and the products are really, really nice. I really like this, and I will definitely be using this tint spray again. So if you're in the market for some tint spray, you know where to get it now. If you've made it this far in the video and you haven't already given it a thumbs up yet, please do. This helps me out with the algorithm, as well as if you enjoyed this video and you've made it all the way here, please consider going ahead and hitting that subscribe button and then hitting the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. We do product reviews like these, wig reviews and hair tutorials every Monday and Friday. And if you're watching over on Facebook, hey, my Facebook Silky Chicks, I love you over there too. Again, I want to say thank you so much to B Stokes Styling for sending me these wonderful products. You guys make sure you go check her out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.